welcome back to KSR Biology. Today we are going to discuss about aerobic respiration. Right. So what is this aerobic respiration? Respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen or air is called aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration will complete within 4 steps. Glycolysis, so link reaction. This link reaction is also called oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation, and the third one is the Krebs cycle. And the fourth one is the ETS, electron transport chain or electron transport system. Electron transport system or electron transport chain. So within these 4 steps, aerobic respiration complete. Right now, already we studied about glycolysis. Right. At the end of glycolysis, how many molecules of pyruvate is formed? 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is formed. These 2 molecules of pyruvic acid undergo 3 ways of, right? So our fate of pyruvate, 3 ways of the fate of pyruvate. The first one is lactic acid, alcohol fermentation. Second one is lactic acid fermentation, and the third one is aerobic respiration. Right? So already we discussed what is aerobic respiration. Right? So now we will discuss about which one? Link reaction. Right. See where this aerobic respiration takes place. The aerobic respiration takes place in the matrix of mitochondria. Where it takes place? No? In the matrix of mitochondria. Right. So whatever the end product of glycolysis. What is the end product of glycolysis? Pyruvate. The pyruvate molecules are transported from cytoplasm to matrix of mitochondria. Right now. So what is the aerobic respiration in mitochondria? Right. See here. The 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is transported from cytoplasm to matrix of mitochondria. So there it undergo oxidation. Right now. So what are the major events of this aerobic respiration in mitochondria? The crucial events of aerobic respiration in mitochondria are 2 things. So the first one is the complete oxidation of the pyruvic acid by stepwise release of the hydrogen atoms with elimination of the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. So this event takes place in the matrix of mitochondria. The passing of the electrons is removed as a part of hydrogen atoms to transfer molecular oxygen with the simultaneous synthesis of ATP. This event is taking place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Right? So these are the crucial events taking place in aerobic respiration of mitochondria or aerobic respiration in mitochondria. Right? So now we will discuss about link reaction or oxidative decarboxylation. See, at the end of glycolysis, right now, how many molecules of pyruvate is formed? 2 molecules. So these 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is transported from where to where? Cytoplasm to matrix of mitochondria. Right. See, so the 2 molecules of pyruvic acid do not directly enter into Krebs cycle. So they have to transported from cytoplasm to matrix of mitochondria. So the pyruvic acid do not enter directly into matrix of mitochondria. The 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is transported from cytoplasm to matrix of mitochondria through a special membrane protein that is called pyruvate. Right now, which one? Pyruvate transport membrane. Pyruvate transport membrane. Pyruvate transport membrane protein. See here. So the 2 molecules of pyruvate. 3 carbon. So the 2 molecules of pyruvate undergo oxidative decarboxylation. As a result, it produces 2 molecules of 2 carbon compound acetyl CoA along with, so it also releases 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of NADH2 this reaction, see here, the two molecules of pyruvic acid undergo oxidative decarboxylation by, as a result, it releases two molecules of acetyl-CoA, two molecules of NADH2 and two molecules of carbon dioxide. This reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme. Which enzyme? Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme. So this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme is a multi-enzyme complex. It contains three enzymes. So what are those three enzymes? See here. The first one is a pyruvate decarboxylase enzyme. Pyruvate decarboxylase enzyme. And the second one is a dihydrolipyl transacetylase enzyme. Dihydrolipyl transacetylase. And the third one is the dihydrolipyl dehydrogenase enzyme. Dihydrolipyl dehydrogenase enzyme. So these are the three enzymes present in this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme. This pyruvate dehydrogenase complex enzyme contains 6 prosthetic groups. What are those 6 prosthetic groups? So TPP, thymine pyrophosphate. So NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. So lipoic acid, and magnesium ions, CoA. So these are the 6 prosthetic group of this enzyme. So during this reaction, it also intake 2 molecules of CoA, and in the presence of which one, magnesium 2 plus ions. Magnesium 2 plus ions. Right now. So here, the pyruvate decarboxylase enzyme, its prosthetic group is TPP, thymine pyrophosphate. Dihydrolipyl transacetylase, its prosthetic group is lipoic acid. Right now. So dihydrolipyl dehydrogenase, its prosthetic group is FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. So flavin adenine dinucleotide. So that's the thing. So here, oxidative decarboxylation. Right now. So this is the first oxidation in the matrix of mitochondria. Which oxidation? First oxidation in matrix of mitochondria. And this is the second oxidation in entire aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. So first oxidation in the matrix of mitochondria, second oxidation in entire respiration. So because in glycolysis, reaction number 6, oxidative phosphorylation. So that is the first oxidation in aerobic respiration. Already we discussed aerobic respiration will complete within 4 steps: glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, ETS. So in glycolysis, 1 oxidation takes place, and here second. But the link reaction or oxidative decarboxylation is taking place in the matrix of mitochondria, so that it is the first oxidation in matrix of mitochondria and the second oxidation in entire aerobic respiration. This is the first decarboxylation. First decarboxylation in entire aerobic respiration. So how many carbon dioxides are released? 2 carbon dioxides. I hope you are clear. So how many NADH2s are formed here? 2 NADH2s are formed. Right? So this is also called, which one? Link reaction. Why we are calling link reaction? So this reaction is the connecting link between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Hence it is called link reaction or gateway step. It is also called which one? Gateway step. So in a link reaction, two molecules of NADH2 is formed and two molecules of carbon dioxide is released. These two NADH2s undergo oxidative phosphorylation in ETS. As a result, it produces 6 molecules of ATP. How many molecules? 6 molecules of ATP is produced through OP. OP is nothing but oxidative phosphorylation. This oxidative phosphorylation takes place in ETS, electron transport system or electron transport chain. So then the two molecules of acetyl CoA enter into Krebs cycle, then the aerobic respiration will continue. So we will discuss Krebs cycle in next video.